AI is going to replace your job. And if you do not use AI right now, your wholesaling real estate business is going to be replaced by somebody that does. This is scary. You see, you got into wholesaling because you know in your regular job, AI is literally going to replace you. If you're a delivery driver, you're done. You work anything in the food industry, done. And now in wholesaling, I hate to tell you, AI is not going to replace you as a wholesaler, but a wholesaler that has AI is going to replace you. The truth is a person, one singular person who knows the right knowledge of how to use AI is going to be 5 or 10 times more powerful than 10, 15, 20 wholesalers in one massive organization. So this is my warning to wake up. It is happening. In 2026, AI is getting way more powerful. And we're at the precipice, the cusp of another great innovation coming. So what I want to do today is show you how you can stay ahead of the curve and not be replaced in wholesaling when it comes to AI. I'll be sharing with you my favorite free and paid tools and how to actually use them today to use AI in wholesaling real estate in 2026. Things are heating up, folks. Things are getting crazy. And let's break this all down. Even if you're broke, even if you have no money at all, you need to be utilizing AI in your wholesaling business to get ahead and get rich and successful. So let's get ahead of the curve and let's break this all down. So first and foremost, even if you're a complete beginner, you are on your first day of knowing what wholesaling real estate is, you have to learn how to at least use it. It is a tool, okay? You are digging with your hands in the sand when everybody else has a shovel. This is such an unfair advantage. And the thing is, the tool is free. Anyone can do it. I'm going to refuse anybody telling me today, well, I just don't know AI. I'm not technology savvy. If you can text your grandson or your granddaughter happy birthday on your phone, you can use AI on your phone and it's not that complicated. So I know this sounds crazy, but everyone, just as a prerequisite, even people who are like technology not savvy, can we just do me a favor and just learn ChatGPT? Just go to ChatGPT. This is where a lot of your free answers are going to be. One of the most powerful AI tools is at your fingertips. So we are going to be starting out on a free tool right here, ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a tool. It is a weapon. It is a knife. And what I mean by as a knife is it can be used for good and it can be used for bad. It can stab somebody and it can also cut steak on a lovely date. A knife is a knife. It's not an evil thing. It's how you use it. Same thing with ChatGPT. This AI tool can be your biggest distraction, your biggest waste of time, or your greatest asset in your wholesaling real estate business. So I think first and foremost, the best way you can be using ChatGPT as a complete beginner is comping properties and doing repair costs. A lot of people don't believe in AI comping, but honestly, AI comping is never going to be 100% perfect. At best, it's going to be 80, 90% perfect. And that's literally all you need, because if you can get a general range of what the property is worth, you're going to lowball the snot out of them. And it doesn't matter what the ARV roughly is if you can get a general idea. So we are here inside of ChatGPT and let's learn how to use it to find, let's say, wholesaling real estate deals. So one of my favorite ways to do this is just using Zillow and ChatGPT together. By far, one of the most innovative ways to find wholesaling deals. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up, find me Zillow for sale by owner listings in Atlanta that are over 100 days old and need some repairs or TLC. And right here, ChatGPT scrapes all the listings and looks at all of the overviews and descriptions. So what I'm using is a really good tool. I'm looking for FSBOs over 100 days old and at least some sort of repairs need to be done on the property. Now, what ChatGPT is going to do here is it's going to analyze the photos, look for ugly houses, and bring them to me right here on a nice silver platter. And also, it's looking at the descriptions. So if you're like a really big like on-market person, I don't like on-market wholesaling. That's not my thing. But if you are, guys, you could literally have ChatGPT go through every single picture of houses and find the ugliest ones there. So what we find here is this address right here, for example. And oh yeah, that looks, oh yeah, we need some renovations on this one. This one needs some TLC. Oh yeah. See, it's literally handing me deals like this on a silver platter. So all we're going to do here is go to force the property owner's info right here. We're going to call them. We're going to lowball them. Now let's use this as a comp, for example, right? Let's go to this address and just say, if I'm going to wholesale this house, how much should I lock up the contract for? Especially as a beginner, it's going to give you some really good stats. So it's currently being listed for $550,000. It's looking at nearby comps. It's doing the math here. And okay, I'm not getting into that formula right now. Roughly, it's saying that we need to lock it up for 120, 160, which isn't terrible. I mean, this house is very much overpriced. Yeah, I mean, this thing is in the 300s. I mean, it's identifying the one next door sold for 230. And so this one is a 4.2. Is it a duplex? No, it's just a regular 4.2. If you look at this one right here, this one's a 3.2, 1400 at 230. Yeah. So this one's just way overpriced. And so for you not to be an idiot and lock this up for 500 and be a bad wholesaler, I would say roughly 250 is the best ARV. It needs some repairs on this thing. So 160, 125 is actually a genius offer, which is pretty cool. So I'd probably say 160 is where your offer should be MAO wise, but I'd probably offer 120 to be honest, so I can make 40 grand. I mean, who doesn't want to make 40 grand in wholesaling? But right there in literally seconds, ChatGPT did all the work for us. Pretty dang cool. Now, what I really like about this too is for this specific property right here, I'm just going to screenshot these pictures. Okay. And this can be pictures of your deal. Like if you lock up a deal and you go to the house and you take pictures of it on your phone right here, you can literally upload it to ChatGPT and watch this. We're going to upload the photos of the screenshot right here. And we're going to say, these are the pics of the house. What are the repairs? And guess what? You upload the picture of the house. Now ChatGPT is going to analyze the image and give you the exact repair amount, which guys, I don't know if you're an expert on how renovations are or construction costs. I'm clearly not with cosmetics, but I mean, I know my stuff because I flip plenty of houses. But again, it's telling you exactly where it needs to be at. It's actually giving you ideas, which is kind of funny. But going over all the whole thing here, it's telling you this property is not turnkey. It's not a lipstick flip. This is a classic looks cute, but systems roll. See, here's the thing. You might not be an expert in real estate, but these are all things ChatGPT is an expert on, I'll tell you. So 52 to 86 on repairs. I mean, I don't think they're off at all. So it will actually give you an updated realistic contract target at 120, 145. I mean, geez, guys, this is why newbies are going to destroy seasoned wholesalers, because you in 5 seconds can do this while you and everybody else is over analyzing the property and how's the kitchen? Is this perfect? I got to reanalyze. No, ChatGPT in under 10 seconds did all this for you right here. This is what I mean. You are going to be replaced by people that actually have this tool. Now, another really cool thing is what I call the hyperbolic time chamber for wholesalers. And so I'm going to nerd out for a second, but one of my favorite shows is Dragon Ball Z. And I don't want to spoil it too much, but Vegeta and Goku at Kami's lookout. And pretty much what this is they have to defeat this villain. And so what they do is they go in this special chamber where they do a year's worth of training in one day, right? So in that chamber, they basically, it's one day on Earth, but when they're in the chamber, it's like a year of training. And so they get really, really good in such a short period of time. And it's like such an unfair advantage. Well, what you are going to do is have your hyperbolic time chamber for getting really good at wholesaling real estate. And what I mean by this is how much better in wholesaling would you be if I personally was coaching you every single day? Any question you possibly had, I would text you exactly what it is, and I would give you the best wholesaling information personalized just for you and your situation. Of course you would. You're going to say, Zach, here's my wallet, take my money, what do you want? And the truth is, I don't want your money. I want to do this for free. Well, it's all inside of ChatGPT. This is insanity. What you're going to do is go right here on the open sidebar tab. You are going to search Explore, go to GPTs and search wholesaling on it. Now, what this wholesaling GPT is right here. It's our Flipper GPT. This AI has watched every single video I've ever put on this YouTube channel, every live stream, 10,000 plus hours. And it is just as good as me at coaching you in wholesaling real estate. Now, most people charge a bunch of money for this. I'll literally teach it to you for free. So whatever question you have, it says, hey, I'm part-time wholesaler in New York City. How do I get my first wholesaling deal, right? And you can basically go like that. And what it's going to do is search the knowledge base and give you a totally doable plan. So again, first and foremost, we do not recommend wholesaling in New York City. Should I go virtual or local? So again, you should go virtual here, which is really good. Also, you can ask, I work 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. night shift. If I have 3 hours a day to wholesale, what should I do? And basically, with your specific situation, you're going to get an exact game plan in your specific schedule, right? 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. What do you do? And right here, it's giving you the exact windows of what works best for you and your situation. So this AI coach is free. All you need is go to ChatGPT and search it. And also, if you join my free real estate wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com right here, freewholesaling.com. The link is right there in the classroom section. Now for paid AI softwares, the only paid AI software I think you should be using is XLeads.com. Again, it's one of the best wholesaling real estate softwares out there. It's actually the best wholesaling real estate software. And it is the only wholesaling real estate software that I know of that is under $97 a month month that actually implements AI for you for everything. So a really quick overview is XLeads with the AI will text sellers for you. So AI will text the seller for you. While it's texting you, it will qualify for you. It will actually qualify the lead for you. And if the lead is good, it'll throw it into your CRM. The AI will also answer any inbound calls you have. And the AI, this is crazy, will actually call your follow-up leads on your behalf for you and actually call and see if you're still interested in selling your property and what price. I know this sounds fake, but it's actually real inside of XLeads. So again, if you go to XLeads.com, again, XLeads.com, you get into here. And basically what you can do here is obviously it's like a regular wholesaling software, right? I mean, you go to the leads tab, you get all the leads, right? You can pull list in Miami, Florida if you want. And obviously you got your filters, all that stuff's all great. But where XLeads gets a little crazy is when you pop up an address, right? For example, this property right here. Of course, you get free unlimited skip tracing, which is awesome. But the AI starts doing some insane things you don't see anywhere else. So for example, there's Deal Ninja AI right here, so you can analyze the property. So pretty much the AI is going to do is look at the house for you and just tell you an entire overview of what you need to know about the property. For example, this is an off-market property. Seems like there's a good wholesale spread here you can get. It's an owner occupied, and it gives you your MAO right off the bat for you, which is really cool. Now, if you want to chat with our AI inside of XLeads, you can ask it, show me comps of the house. And basically what's going to do is pop up the comps for you with our AI. And right there, all the top comps pop up right there in 5 seconds. It's way better than ChatGPT because in Texas and non-disclosure states, they'll do it for you there. And it has a lot more accurate MLS data. Zillow and ChatGPT do not pull comps from MLS data. This goes straight from the actual MLS. So for example, you go up here, you go to comps. It's straight from the Miami MAR MLS right there. Now going back here, probably my favorite thing about this, which is really simple, is the buyer match AI feature we have inside of our X plan. So all you have to do is just click buyer match AI. So let's say this property right here, it's a 4.2, right? 2,100 square feet. Let's say we lock up this deal. To find a buyer, all you have to do is press this button and AI is going to find the top cash buyers for us. This is insanity to me. And right there in under a second, what buyer match AI did was it instantly ranks real estate investors by how well they match to your specific property. Just find a property and our AI driven scoring system analyzes each investor's history, flips, rentals, notes, and private lending to deliver 100 of the most ideal partners to buy your deal. So for this specific property right here, it says Haven House Holdings is the most likely buyer for our deal. So if you click on Haven House Holdings, we know that Haven House Holdings has flipped over 42 properties and done over $86 million in profits on flipping. And guess what? Their phone number pops up right there. And so all the buyers that are most likely to buy 2,100 square foot properties in that area of Miami pop up right here for us. It's that simple. And guess what? They're all skip traced right here. Now, all you have to do is to SMS text blast with the AI. You just pull a list in Miami. So let's just choose like a really simple list. Let's just do the pre-foreclosures. That's a great list right there. Let's just do some equity. So single family's fine. Individual owners trust, owned it for 5 years. And let's put like 60% equity on this sucker. And we're gonna have 1,100 properties right here. So you pop it up right here, you pull a list, you download it, and you're just gonna go to contacts and import the lead and just tag the property AI SMS. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna text the lead with our scripts. Right when the seller replies back, AI is gonna reply back. And once the AI determines this person's actually interested and they wanna cash off on their property, it's gonna go right here on your deal board. And they're gonna be under the wants to sell category right here with an AI summary of the text, and boom, it's done for you. Now, let's say, for example, this John guy who we texted him, he's hot, now he's a cold seller. Let's say we did an appointment, now he doesn't want to sell the property, he says, I'll talk to me later, and you put him on a weekly follow-up. So what we're gonna do is you put him under follow-up, and right there, what's gonna happen is if you throw the automation in here, as long as you turn on your AI follow-up on the outbound, so you just press publish, all you have to do is just tag the property, AI follow-up, and what's gonna happen is your voice AI is going to outbound follow up the seller. Let me show you what it sounds like.
He's ready to give you a cash offer. Are you ready to sell?
Sell? My house?
Got it. I'll help get this moving. First, I need a couple of details to proceed. Full name, best contact.
Wait, hold on. Whoa. You're looking to buy my house?
Yes, we're looking to buy your house for cash. I'm here to help with next steps. If you like, I can collect your contact details so a team member can reach out with a formal offer.
An offer? Oh, are you a realtor?
We're a cash buyer, not a traditional realtor. We'll make you a cash offer for your property, and if you're interested, a team member will follow up with the details. Ready to share your contact info? So
yeah,
I can
sure.
get that offer to you?
Whoa! Whoa, crazy, right? So call, follow up the sellers. You can do 100 follow-ups a day. That is absolute game changing. No other wholesaling software in the space can do anything like that. Now, the reason why that guy has an accent is because, I'll be honest, I gave it an accent on purpose. You can try to cancel me all you want, but AI callers don't have accents, right? That in 2026, AI that calls sounds perfect. So with an accent, the English isn't perfect, and it's not perfect on purpose. So it's like, that didn't sound like AI. It sounds like there's a call center in the back, because that doesn't sound like regular AI. That's why it works. So the AI is, I mean, guys, could you imagine I have 10 XLeads accounts? I'm doing 1,000 of those every single day. These are leads that were actually in my follow-up, so they opted in to be followed up. I called them, record, and say, hey, it's okay if we reach it back out again? They say, sure. So all my follow-ups of all my marketing, all my calling and texting and direct mail, it all gets funneled in. So I'm doing hundreds of follow-ups a day with AI, and I could do this on a solo person. Imagine, I'm doing 3,000 follow-up calls a day with just solo person with one AI bot. That is how powerful XLeads is. This is why XLeads, ChatGPT, and all these AI tools in wholesaling are absolutely taking over, because you can do the work of 100 men with just one AI bot, and it's like $100 a month. Guys, this is the change. So if you're a brand new beginner, go use ChatGPT, use the free tools we got for the AI, use the AI coach, and then get XLeads and absolutely put gasoline on the fire in your wholesaling business. Guys, AI is here. AI is getting crazier. And if you're not using AI, you are behind the 8 ball for success in wholesaling. So guys, if you get up-to-date wholesaling info with AI and everything going on in 2026, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, join my free real estate wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.